Okay, a bit of an update uh, on knee surgery. Uh, Short recap. Last January, it's now late September. Last January, I had the left knee replaced. Came along pretty good for a while, and then I started getting extreme pain in it whenever I moved it, especially when I put pressure on it, rising up out of a chair or something. So so it was really pretty terrible. I went back to the doc. He says, look, we're going to have to go in and see if we can find there's some adhesions or something that is slowing your recovery. Okay, so we went down, we went in. It was a fairly simple laparoscopic thing. He said, no, he didn't say it was laparoscopic, he said it was something else. But when he went in, one with a camera, another with a tool, and he cleared it all out. That made a tremendous difference. The knee is now working beautifully. I can put all kinds of pressure on it. I can do deep knee bands, all that sort of stuff. And I talked to you a little bit about what happened to my right knee at that time. The right knee was better than the left knee, but not a lot. There's almost no cartilage left there. And because I was having so much trouble with the left knee, then I put a whole bunch of pressure on the right knee, and it started bothering me. Well, once I got this right knee done and got the problem with it dealt with, it is done fine, with the exception that it's kind of pushed the right knee over the edge. so the left knee's doing great, and I'm trying to schedule for a total knee replacement on the right side. So, okay, this is how it's going to work out. Maybe it just brought it a little bit sooner than it would have been before, because I've always thought that perhaps I would have to have both knees replaced. But anyway, I've talked to the doc about doing this other knee, so sometime probably late this year or early next year, I'll be doing another knee replacement. And hopefully I don't have the problems I had with this one. So, what's my overall viewpoint of total knee replacement? It's not without problems. It'll never be without problems. Understand, I'm 76 years old. These knees lasted for 75 years. This knee replacement here, he tells me it's going to last about 20 years. That's the way it's going to be. But knees don't get better. You can put it off for quite a while. In fact, I put it off for a good, probably almost 15 years. I had meniscus on both of them, where they went in and they took out things that were giving me trouble with the knee, loose cartilage and so on. So I did all those things, ended up with a knee replacement, and I'm going to end up doing this one too. I am satisfied with this left one. I have very little pain in it anymore. I try to work it really hard sometimes just to be sure it's doing okay. Plus strength, muscle strength in there is always, it's always better if you have good muscle strength. So, the overall is, it's not the perfect way to fix your knees, but there is no perfect way. And this is the choices you have. In life, as time goes on, you have medical interventions for various things. And they're not perfect. They never are. But the alternative is to live with what you have, and if you get to the point where living with what you have is not viable anymore, then you have to make a change. And that's what I've done. I'll be reporting again on another knee replacement here, probably not too long, at least I hope not too long. And that's it on this one.